Timing herbicide applications in lettuce. The application pattern and timing of application for the pre-emergent herbicides used on lettuce are all distinctly different. This is primarily the result of how strongly they adhere to our soils and how safe they are to the crop. Baylan or benefit adheres strongly to our finer textured soils and can cause significant crop injury if concentrated near germinating lettuce seed. Label recommendations are to broadcast it and incorporate it prior to listing the beds. It is often applied and incorporated to listed beds, however, with acceptable crop safety. It must be mechanically incorporated, and crop injury is more likely when using it like this. It is more active on grasses than it is on broadleaf weeds. It is used on fewer acres of lettuce than the other two pre-emergent herbicides and is commonly used in combination with one of them. Freebar or benzoylide also adheres strongly to fine textured soils, but it can be incorporated with overhead water. The key to getting the most out of Freebar is to incorporate it soon after application with large amounts of sprinkler water. Furrow irrigation does not do an adequate job of incorporating this herbicide. Mechanical incorporation dilutes the herbicide too much. Application by chemigation through sprinkler works best, but it is sometimes not uniform. Freebar does not control a broad spectrum of weeds and is often used in combination with other herbicides for this reason. It controls most small-seeded annual grasses and does a good job on purslane and pigweed. It is fair on goosefoot and lamb's quarters, but weak on most other broadleaf weeds. Curb or Pronamid differs from the other two because it does not adhere as strongly to the soil. Our trials have demonstrated that if more than 3/4 to 1 inch of overhead water is applied, it begins to leach below the shallow weed seeds. To overcome this, delayed and split applications are often made. It also differs from Freebar and Baylan by being more systemic in some plants. The other two have only very minimal movement in plants. Curb can control some seedling weeds that have already emerged. Curb will control a broader spectrum of broadleaf weeds and grasses than the other two lettuce herbicides. Thank you very much.